Thank you iSTIM for sending this item to check out, and we are looking at the WeTrac Neck Cervical Traction Device, and this is how it comes packaged in the box, just like this. It's a carrying case for the device, so you can carry it over your shoulder with the straps, or carry it by hand with this handle here. Now we're opening it. Comes with the user manual and safety instructions, and it will be secured by the strap here. Make sure you take this off. And if you need some more room to make some adjustments for these neck wedge area, below are these two tabs that you can press together and extend or shorten the length, so you can make your adjustments. And then when you want to make some adjustments to the elevation, the angle, you're just gonna press these out of the tabs here and just slide it to wherever you need it. Say you want it about right there, it'll lock into place. And here we have the control for the device. The turning knob here, clockwise, will move from where you start. Then during the decompression, please press the red button and hold the turning knob at the same time. Let the knob slowly turn counterclockwise and make sure the indicator is back to 0 pounds before next traction gets started. A little difficult here, but I'm gonna press the red button, hold the knob because the knob wants to like spin really fast. You're just gonna slowly turn it and let it go back. Let's look at the instruction manual here. Then we have the safety guide. It gives you different safety guidelines, and then one of them being not to let it go past 40 pounds of pressure. So you can see we start at 0 and it goes to 10, 20, 30, 40. So the 30 and the 40 are in the red, and the past the 20 is a little bit in the yellow, so you kind of want to stay in the green area. That in there, and this is where you're going to be able to rest your head, give you a little bit of cushion. And then some do's and don'ts, especially like if you have long hair. And of course, prior to use of any device, you want to talk with your healthcare professional. And then how to make some adjustments, what we talked about previously. Very easy to understand. Then some instructions on how to start using the traction device. Very straightforward, but basically you're going to lay flat on the ground on a non-slip surface, like carpet. But there are no instructions on it can be used sitting up. So it's mainly just a device you wear or use while you're laying down. And this has been the iSTIM WeTrac Neck Cervical Traction Device.